Studio, and today we're going to show you how to make Easter bath bombs. Alright, so you get a big bowl and you're going to start mixing the dry ingredients together.
So we're going to put 1 cup of baking soda.
1 cup of baking soda. Half cup of Epsom salt. And then 4 tablespoons of cream of tartar. And you can use cream of tartar if you're not using citric acid. And cream of tartar is actually easier to use because you can get it at a grocery store.
And 1/2 cup of cornstarch.
And a 1/2 cup of cornstarch.
Why are they all white?
I don't know. Alright, and then just start mixing it. Alright, so once you've mixed your dry ingredients, you're just going to add in the wet ingredients. So you can use any oil, but we like to use coconut oil, and you're going to need 2.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. So just start mixing that. And then we like to add a fragrance. You don't have to, but I mean, if you want it to smell good, then you should. And just, you know, just kind of splash it around in the mixture. And then start mixing it up. And once it gets thick, you'll know that you are pretty much ready to go on to the next step. Alright, so we split it up into 3 equal parts because we're all doing different colors. So we're just using some food coloring. I'm doing blue. Just gonna put some drops in there and start mixing it. Okay, I'm gonna need a lot more than that. So after you're done, you just try to grab some and see if it like molds. And if it keeps its shape, then you're okay. And if it doesn't, you might need to add some more coconut oil to make it thicker so that it can stick and stay in the mold better. Alright, so now we're going to put it into our mold, which is just, you know, an Easter egg. Oh, whoops. So just grab some of your powder and just kind of pour it in there. And then make sure it's compact or else it's not going to stay. So just pack it in there. And I'm going to mix some colors. So, Jenna, can I use yours?
I'm going to use yours.
Okay. Let's put some green in here. Ooh, what a mess. Alright. And I'm just trying to fill it up to the top. Okay. And then for the other side, let's just make the rest blue. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more. It's better to put more than less because it won't stick together. The 2 halves won't stick together if it's not compact. Alright, let's try that. And there we go. Okay, so if you did it right, it should keep its shape.
Wow.
And so now you're going to keep it in the mold for about 8 hours or just overnight to dry. Okay, so we did these yesterday, and we're going to try to pop them out right now, and let's see how it goes.
Probably going to break.
Oh, yeah?
Oh,
R.I.P.
But this one.
Okay, that one's good. There's one here.
Yeah. That was already broken.
There we go.
Wow, it actually does it now.
And then this one. That one was good.
That looks pretty.
And then this
Is that a yellow one?
Wow. Okay. That's pretty cool.
You got 3 out of.
This was just,
Yeah,
it was
got
already
4.
broken anyways. Alright, so we got half of an egg. Let's just see how it goes.
Wow.
Whoa, look at, oh, okay. Look at all the bubbles. It's slowly rising.
Yeah, why is it rise?
Whoa, look at how the little chunks pop up. That's weird. Whoa. Alright, so we got another half. And let's see how that goes. Oh, there's some blue. It's starting to come. Oh! Dang. It's bubbling.
I got another one. Should put them together.
Whoa.
Let's put another one.
Go, dump it. Okay, I'm just gonna throw in some powder. Let's just see if it just fizzes.
If it just comes up.
Yeah.
It's gonna come up. I knew it.
Think so.
It
Whoa,
comes
okay,
up.
whoa.
Why is it coming
Look
up?
at how the whole bowl is starting to turn orange.
Because it
Wow.
just comes up. It comes up.
That's cool.
I'm gonna throw more powder.
Alright guys, I hope you have fun making your own bath bombs.
And I hope you like our video. Please subscribe.
And check out other videos on our channel. Bye!